This is a civil danger warning. Important instructions will follow. An object is going to hit Earth, and this is an asteroid going to hit the Earth. The asteroid is the size of this circle on the right, and will hit Lake Michigan in 6 hours. Lake Michigan will be struck by the asteroid and cause a mega tsunami. All residents of Wisconsin, Illinois, and the west coast of Michigan should evacuate. Make sure you have an emergency supply kit, which includes bottled water, packaged foods, and emergency medicines that will last for a long time. In case of power outage, a hand crank or battery-powered radio to provide information in the event of power outage. A flashlight and extra batteries for essential items. Warning, warning, if you are at Roth Park, evacuate now. Bring everything that you need and want. Normal programming may now resume.
This is an NBC News special report. Here's Lester Holt.
Good day. Is interrupting it.
This is a presidential alert. Important instructions will follow. The Space Force launched a missile at the incoming asteroid that's going to hit the Earth. Unfortunately, the Space Force mission has failed, and the mission has caused it to separate into large fragments and has shifted to different locations. The first half will hit Lake Huron, while the second half is going to hit Lake Michigan. All people in Ohio and the east coast of Michigan should evacuate now.
Warning, warning. A massive extinction is possible.